On today's episode of From Mile High to High Tea, we experienced the unboxing of Yummy Men's briefs. Let's check out the surprises inside. First up was an adorable Yummy sticker that's claiming a prime spot on my MacBook. Underneath was a lovely handwritten thank you note. I really appreciate the personal touch of this, so thank you, Alex. The textured wrapping paper really amped up the whole experience, making it feel more like a special gift rather than just a simple purchase. Continuing with that gift vibe were these super sultry postcards in the box, though I'm not so sure that I'll be sending these out anytime soon. And the star of the show, the briefs themselves. The material felt incredibly soft in my hands, and I cannot wait to wear them and experience the comfort firsthand. All in all, I'm thrilled with my Yummy briefs. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.